do a little harvesting, get some more green beans. Kind of try to make this really quick. So you guys know that I was just out here 2 days ago harvesting green beans, and I'm back out here again today. See these little tiny ones? They'll be ready to harvest again in no time, and I am not complaining, okay? This is just really awesome that we can harvest this many green beans. I'm not even halfway done harvesting the green beans today, and it's so many green beans. So I'm going to harvest some lettuce, and this was actually already harvested. So I'm going to go ahead and add a few of these green beans to the pan. This is coconut oil that I have here. And you can just season your green beans to taste. I just add a little bit of turmeric, pepper, and other spices like thyme, oregano, and a little bit of Himalayan salt. We love the Himalayan salt. Also some rosemary. Green beans is like the easiest thing to prepare. Like I said before, I don't know if you saw my previous videos, I don't like to boil my green beans. I always like to saute them. I think it keeps the flavor in. And this is one of the reasons why I like this Roma bush bean, because I just think they cook better and they taste better. I like to add a little bit of the liquid aminos to it as well. It gives it just a little bit of flavor, just a little bit. And then I'm going to add onion. I like to add a little bit of the sesame seeds from Bob Mills. I usually just fill up these containers right here. I go heavy on the sesame seeds. Last but not least, I like to add in organic corn. This is just how I like, me and my husband like to eat our green beans, and my grandkids like it like this too. Onions and the corn and all the seasonings and spices makes it really, really delicious. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of paprika on it. And maybe a little bit more sesame seeds. And there you have it. And this is one of the simplest side dishes you can make. And over here in my steamer, I'm steaming some rice with dehydrated vegetables. Let's see what that looks like. And I'm going to add a little bit of the liquid aminos. And I also like to add my sesame seeds to my steamed rice as well. To add a lot of sesame seeds to the steamed rice, and just give it a stir.